Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of motion graphics. So, what is motion graphics? Actually, is any graphic work brought to life with animation ready to be showcased on platforms that support moving images. It's super cool to know that motion graphics stand out as its own unique field. It's not just a branch of animation. It harnesses animation techniques to create something utterly unique. Now you might wondering that how exactly do motion graphics differ from traditional animation? Here's the scope. It's all about storytelling. Traditional animation is akin to diving into a rich narrative, much like what you'd find in theater or cinema. Motion graphics, on the other hand, do engaging in storytelling, but it's more abstract. It's not about telling a story in the conventional sense, but about conveying idea or emotions. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane to understand where motion graphics came from. This art form has been around even before it was officially recognized as its own genre. A standout example is the iconic title sequence for The Man with the Golden Arm, designed by Saul Bass in 1955. Bass went beyond mere text to create a visual experience that captured the film's essence in a way that hadn't been seen before. What's really exciting about motion graphics videos are their versatility. You might think that they are just used in advertising, but that's the tip of the iceberg. Motion graphics play a significant role in cinema, broadcasting, digital media, video games, scientific presentations, industrial design, and even environmental graphics. If this introduction to motion graphics caught your attention, you are in for a treat. So if you're ready to learn and dive into the world of motion graphics, you've come to the right place.